Hi, this is Joe from powerattorneyform.com, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the 4 Utah power of attorney forms. Now, if you don't know what power of attorney is, it's just simply a legal document that allows you to pick anyone that you want to represent you for either financial or medical decision making. So, the first one that we're going to talk about is the durable power of attorney form on the left-hand side. And what this form allows you to do is that it allows you to select somebody to make all financial decision-making powers on your behalf in the state of Utah. Now, what makes this form so popular in the United States is that it's the only financial power of attorney form that stays valid if the principal becomes incapacitated or told by a medical licensed physician that they can no longer think for themselves. Now, where we see this a lot is with the baby boomer generation. They're approaching the senior age, but unfortunately they're getting things like dementia, Alzheimer's, all these different things that can make things like paying their bills not an easy task. So what this form does is it allows you to select somebody that you choose and that you trust, and they can act for you on any financial matter legal in the state of Utah. And if something should happen to you, it stays valid. So it's a very, very important form to have, especially if you're over 50. Now, the Utah Medical Power of Attorney form, it sounds exactly how it is. It's a power of attorney form that lets somebody handle all your medical decision-making power just in case something should happen to you. So they would be selecting in your best interest the treatment decisions, the facility decisions if there are any, anything related to your health care and well-being they would be choosing. So we want to also note that on our website we see a lot of people download both these forms because both these forms kind of work together and complement one another, where the durables financially helps you out, and the medically obviously is for healthcare reasons. So going to the right side, we got the general power of attorney form. This form is just like the durable. It's exactly like it, except that it becomes void if something should happen to you. So what we often see is business people will have an accountant handle all their financial stuff, but if for any reason something should happen to them, they don't necessarily want that person to still be acting for them for financial purposes. So the general power of attorney form, exactly like the durable, except that it becomes void if something should happen. Now the limited, last but not least, this is a great form that I use every year for filing my taxes. It allows you to give somebody very specific financial power. Now I give my accountant this limited power of attorney to just handle my taxes every year, but to do nothing else. I don't want him handling my banking. I don't want him handling nothing, just my taxes. But if you want someone to just pick up your mail for you, or say you have a car that's getting serviced, you need someone to pick up while you're out of town, or whatever the case may be that's financially related, you want to make sure that you have this form so that you can sleep at night, at least I do, knowing that my accountant can only do certain things for me. Now, all these power of attorney forms, whichever ones you select to download, you need to have them notarized. If you do not know what a notary is, don't worry. Just go to the nearest branch bank where you live, and you can get one of these power of attorney forms notarized. And that's it. These are the Utah power of attorney forms.